Alex, my ex is avoiding me. What does that mean? Hello, guys, and welcome to Love Advice TV. My name is Alex Cormont. I'm your relationship expert, and I really want to assist you in this situation because you're trying your best to be able to communicate with your ex, to change, to reattract them, to show them that the relationship could be very much different. And I know that you're giving your best by watching our videos, by giving us likes, by subscribing at Love Advice TV day and night. So you're here giving your best and you only see your ex avoiding you. Of course, you will ask yourself, why is my ex avoiding me? And usually you think that this is because your ex doesn't love you anymore. It is because you think that your ex doesn't care about you, doesn't care about your emotions. Let me tell you that after a breakup, when we decide to not come back, it is possible. That's true. It is possible that we have some anger, negative emotions. It is possible as well that we tend to want to be apart. We want to be by ourselves. We want to reconnect with our friends, with our family. And that is the reason why your ex will naturally avoid you. But this is not a problem. Most of the time you will accept the situation because even if they are avoiding you, they will respond to your text message. They will think about you. They will show you that they are looking at your social media. Sometimes they will, answer you, or they will tell you, oh, it's great that you're doing this. And the only way was for them to look at your social media. So when you have your ex that is avoiding you by maybe, not saying yes all the time, not really wanting to see you, not initiating the contact, but they respond to you. They do great actions. They still like you very much. This is one situation. Unfortunately, if you're here today, it's because of the second situation, where your ex is avoiding you. They don't want to talk to you. They don't want to engage communication with you. They don't want to continue the discussion. They just want to avoid you and stop. When we are looking at this situation, at the beginning of my career, it was in 2007 when I first started to be a coach, I was very shocked and scared for the people I coach because I told myself, wow, if your ex is avoiding you this way, we will have almost no solution to reconnect. It's like it's over. And after experiences, coaching after coaching after coaching, I realized that most of the exes, they will try to protect themselves. That is why they are avoiding you. They want to protect themselves. Number one, to rebuild themselves because they feel a lot of pain. But number two, because they don't want to have any doubts about the situation. They don't want to tell themselves, what if maybe he or she has changed? They don't want to say this to themselves. And the reason why is because if they tell this to themselves, the reality is that they will come back. And they know that. So listen to that. Your ex is avoiding you most of the time because they need to rebuild themselves, because they feel some pain, and because they know that if they continue to communicate with you, the feelings will come back and the love will come back. And so they will not be able to stop loving you. And I'm sure that you have seen this situation when your ex or one of your exes, after seeing you, they changed completely. They were mad, they were sad, they were angry. And what happened when you first met? They were completely different because the energy was nice, because there was a lot of love. And that is the reason why you need to let your ex avoiding you. We don't care about it. We need to let your ex take the time to rebuild themselves because that's important. And in the meantime, we need to stay focused on who you are right now. You need to stay focused on who you are right now in order for you to make your ex see that you have changed and wants to talk to you. So when your ex is avoiding you, please don't chase them. Don't beg them. Don't try to negotiate their return, because they will not. They will not come back for your beautiful eyes. This is what we say in France. But basically, they will not come back just to please you. They will come back only the moment they realize that you have changed. So, it is completely normal that your ex will try to avoid you. It is completely normal that your ex will try to not communicate. And even if you try to communicate, they will not give you the same attention. They will not, give you the same love. They will not act the same way. This means that we need to do a step back. We need to tell ourselves, if my ex is avoiding me, it's because they are scared. So what can I do to reattract my ex? What can I do to make my ex so in love with me? And this is one thing that I have done videos just on this, what we call the push and pull technique. So the push and pull technique is amazing because you can use it all the time. You can use it to make your ex feel the butterflies in the stomach again, even if you don't meet right now. It's okay because we have a technique. So this is not something I can introduce you just in a YouTube video. So I've done a presentation. You can have access to the replay. It's almost 1 hour and 30 minutes where I can really dive in and I can explain to you what exactly is about in this situation. By understanding the neuroscience, by understanding human being and all the case studies, you will be able to really apply the push and pull. So click in the description box below, get access to it, and you will find that your ex still loves you. I, of course, want you to smash the like button, subscribe also to Love Advice TV. This is an amazing community because of you. I know that you're talking to each other. I know that you're supporting each other. And so you will find a way, even if your ex is avoiding you, to stay confident and to tell yourself, okay, I know what I have to do. I know what's important for me. And that's where you will get all the answers. So make sure to smash the like button. Make sure to subscribe. And of course, come on withmyexagain.com. We have tons of articles. Like we study everything we can about the breakup to give you the clear plan. And if you want to go further, you can also book a private coaching session. There is single session on the website. There is also packages where I can follow you and respond to you like via email. If you receive a text message, you don't know what to say, you don't know how to read your ex that is avoiding you, you just don't have to worry. You can just send me an email and I'll be there for you. Okay? So guys, thank you for being here. Remember to subscribe. Remember to share this video to everyone that needs it. And remember to tell yourself, if my ex is avoiding me, it's not only negative. It's also because they need more time, they want more time, and we will get a better situation. I will see you soon, guys. Take care.